In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free hosting account on InfinityFree. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to sign up or log in if you have an account already. And then whenever you do that here, you want to switch over to hosting accounts up top over here, which should be the third tab. Now, here, as you can see, I have an active account already, but I'm going to create a new one just to show you how it's done. And all you have to do is click on create account over here. And when you do this here, of course, you have to choose your hosting plan. You can choose any of these. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with the InfinityFree one over here. I'm going to click Create Now. And then here, I will basically have to confirm that I am human. So this usually takes a few seconds. It's going to verify and confirm everything is correct with my connection. There we go. And then here you have to choose your domain name. Now here, of course, you can select your subdomain. So as you can see, I have Instant How To 1 already. I'm just going to do Instant How To YouTube, or just, let's do just YT for now, okay? And here it says domain extension. This is where you can select any of the available domain extensions. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and use, let's do this, infinityfreeapp.com. Okay, so of course you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna use this one right now, and I'm gonna click on check availability. And if everything seems good over here, you'll be able to add an account label. The account username is going to be generated automatically. You can select the account password, so you could set your own, or you could just leave it as it is, and you can reveal it whenever you click on this button. And then here, you have the email consent. You have to either approve or not approve. And then here, you want to click on create account. And whenever you do this, as you can see over here, it's going to say a bunch of different things here, and it will also say that in a few minutes your account will be set up, but it can take up to 72 hours for the new domain to be visible everywhere due to DNS caching. Okay, so just make sure you know that it may take like 3 days to be able to show your domain everywhere. Okay, now this is going to start loading for a bit, and usually this just takes like a few seconds or up to a few minutes over here. And when that's done, you've successfully created a hosting account on InfinityFree. Okay, and the next page over here, when you click on that, is the following. So if I go and show you how this actually looks like, and if I go into one of my existing ones over here, if I go to this one, there we go. You're going to be able to see this kind of dashboard over here when you have the file manager, the control panel, website builder, script installer, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.